Welcome back. So we are now going over problems from section 1.6 of our class, okay, from webwork. Calculating limits using limit laws. Evaluate the limit using limit laws. So what we normally do is plug in the value and see what you get. If you get a real number, then you are done. If you get something like 1 over 0 or 0 over 0, something like that, then you need to do something or look more deeply. That's the point. Here, if I plug in x equals 6, because x is approaching 6, my function x, it's actually continuous, so no harm. I'll just plug in 6 and I get 6. Next problem. Here, limit x approaching 5 of this polynomial. For a polynomial, to find the limit, all you need to do is plug in 5. So I can calculate this, or I can simply write 5 times 5 plus 3 times 5 plus 4. Okay. So notice I did not actually calculate it. I wrote the expression as is. webwork does the calculation. All right. Next, limit t approaching 3 of t inverse. Notice t inverse tells me it is 1 over t. You see, t to the power 1 is 1 over t, which is a rational function. Rational function is a polynomial function over a polynomial function. Regardless, if the number in question is in your domain, then you have no problem. It is 1 over 3. 1 over t is 1 over t. When you plug in 3, you get 1 over 3. Okay. Next. By the way, do not approximate. Do not say 0.33. It will complain. It will not give you. So you need to write the expression as is. Okay. Let webwork do its approximation. Okay. Try not to put in your own approximations. Evaluate the limit assuming you are given limit x approaching 3 of gx is negative 3. So what is limit x approaching 3 of gx over x squared? Well, the gx part limit using limit laws. I have to find the limit upstairs and the limit downstairs. So it is a fraction. So parentheses over parentheses is a starting point. Limit of gx is negative 3 and limit of the denominator is 3 to the power 2. That's it. Next. Now, what's wrong with the following equation? X squared plus x minus 6 over x minus 2 is x plus 3. Let's figure this out. Okay. Let's figure this out. So what are we saying here? The question is the following expression. X squared minus x, so it's a fraction. X to the power 2 plus x minus 6 over x minus 2. Well, we can factor the numerator, so fraction. Numerator factors as x plus 3, x minus 2. Denominator is x minus 2. Well, why can't we just cancel, right? And you get x plus 3. The only thing is you can cancel when x minus 2 is not equal 0. You see, you cannot cancel the zeros. That's the point. So this expression is equal to this expression when x minus 2 is not 0, or in other words, when x is not 2. When x is not 2, x minus 2 is not 0, then you can cancel. All right. So that's the only issue. So this is not always equal to this. It is equal on those values of x where x are not 2. So let's see. There is nothing wrong with this equation. That's not completely correct. B part. The equation does not make sense at x equals 2. That's correct. At x equals 2, you have undefined on the left. Undefined equals something else. That makes no sense. So it's B in my opinion. Okay. So I think I will stop this video for now and continue with the next video.